Finally, biryani came. What do you do? Tell me, guys. Finish it up. Today's biryani story. What you will do after having biryani?
We will serve to ourselves and eat it.
Good. After eating, after
Pay the
eating also
bill.
still you have something. What is it?
And
We will clean our
our
hands and
hands.
then pay them.
You will clean the hands and you will
Pay the
simply
bill.
pay the bill. Take your vehicle, otherwise take your food and start going home or go wherever you want. But who will clean the plates? Plates and all, who will clean? I will not clean. He will only clean. Who will prepare the biryani? I don't know. He will prepare it. Who will serve the biryani? Appa, I don't know. Who is going to give the utensils? It's not my utensils. Who is going to clean it? I'm not going to clean it. So let's come back to our questions. Now, do I need to bother about my raw materials?
No.
No.
No. Do I have to cook it?
No.
No.
Do I have to serve it?
No.
Yes.
I will give 10 rupees extra, or I will give 100 rupees extra. That guy will serve me. Huh?
Yes.
I don't need to serve my food. I will pay. I will give him a good tip. I'll tell him, right? The moment I enter into the restaurant, I will give him a tip. Now tell me, Anup.
Yes.
Huh? He will serve. He will do everything for me. Who have to eat, guys?
I have to eat.
Yes.
I have to eat. Who have to clean?
They will clean.
They will clean. The only big difficulty task I am going to perform is eating it. Delicious biryani. 1 hour, 2 hours, we will sit, we will eat all the items, whatever is there in the restaurant. We will try to order one by one. If you are going as a gang, as a 10 or 15 people, right? Then this is what we will do. We will take all the items one by one, one by one, one by one. We will order. We will sit for 2-3 hours. Finally, we will we'll pay 14,000-15,000 bill and then we'll come out. This is what we do generally. Me and my friends will generally do it because once in a blue moon only we'll meet. This is how it is. So finally, what do we do, guys? Finally, we know that I'm going to pay only for what I eat. Let's take the questions again. So now I'll go to the last but one item. Tell me, guys, what do we call this one?
Software.
Software as a service.
Service. Software as a service. Now, do I need to purchase the hardware?
No.
No.
Do I need to build my physical servers?
No.
Do I need to install my application softwares? Application softwares, are you going to install it? No. Are you going to develop your application softwares?
No.
No.
No. Are you going to deploy your application softwares?
No.
No. Who will take it to the production?
Cloud.
No.
Who will take it to the production?
Service provider.
Who will bring the food to your desk?
Service provider.
Service provider, right? See, releasing or handing over biryani to the customer is like releasing the product to the customer only. See, your restaurant guy is bringing a biryani to your plate, right? Or to your desk or to your table is bringing, which means like he is delivering the product to your table. Who is doing? Vendor is doing. So now who is going to the production? I'm not going. He will go. Vendor will go to the production. So do I have to support my application in the production?
Yes.
In the production, is it really your application first of all?
No.
No.
So then what you are going to support? Huh? So the answer is no. Then I have to take care of my post-production support.
No.
No. Then what you will do, sir, here? Huh? Something you have to
I
do.
will
Let's
eat
take
and
this
pay
as
and go. Eat, pay
you
and
will
go.
eat and pay and go, which means like whatever the product that I am getting, right? This is what this is post-production support in the sense like I will say this one as a no, but I will add a one more line over here. Okay, so in the 10th line I'll say like a consuming my end product or consuming
Yes.
end product. So who will consume the end product?
Me.
Me. This is yes. Rest everything is no.
No.
Rest everything is what? Rest everything is no. I don't care. I don't care. See guys, Office 365. How many of you guys are using Gmail, guys? It's a very wrong question, right?
Yes.
It's a super duper flap question. How many people are using a Gmail, right? Everyone in the world will be using Gmail.
Yes.
Now, if that is the case, how many of you are contributing to Gmail saying like, okay, Gmail, this is the application Golang code. Please use this code for sending emails. Anyone
No one.
contributing it?
No.
No one.
Every month here and there, Google will be releasing a new icon. Are you contributing to the new icon?
No.
No.
No. So who is releasing? Vendor is releasing. Now your Gmail or your Google, it is running in servers. Who is maintaining those servers? Any one of you is maintaining?
No.
No. So here what we need to understand? Infrastructure, operating system, application softwares, application code, application deployment, application maintenance, application configuration, and then post build support as well as your post production support also, which includes updates, patches, as well as bug fixes, whatever is required, everything. Who will take care? Vendor will take care. But end of the day, who will have fun with that product? Who is sending emails?
We.
We are sending the emails. Who is storing? Who is storing your pay slips? Who is storing your important pics? Who is sharing or saving your important files in a Google Drive, guys?
Yes.
We are doing it now.
Me.
But are you contributing
Yes.
anything to Google Drive?
No.
No.
No. But who is doing it? Everything? Google is doing it. Everything is Google is doing it, right? So hence we call it as software as a service. We call it as what? Software as a service. So hope it is clear, guys. Right? In a nutshell, I'll just give you a simple example. Okay. I will be having my infrastructure components. Like I will have my servers. I will have my databases. And I'm going to have my components like network. All the components. All the components we are going to take as a service from a vendor. So these components, if you are taking from any vendor, then it is, we call it as IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Now, whenever you are taking a server will be having what? A server will be having your operating system in it, operating system version in it. If you are taking any database from a vendor, in this database, see basically guys, database we can say like as a platform, because they will provide the software as well in that. I will take it as a network. Okay. And I can take another component like my disk. This is what? This is my disk. So this is what? This is my network. Now all these components are what? All these components are my infrastructure component. If I'm taking this as a service, then he is called as a infrastructure as a service providing vendor. Now after I have an infrastructure as a service, then what I will do? Then I will go ahead and then I will install the application softwares. Application softwares. Now application softwares like what? Like React.js, like Node.js, like Java, like your Python, like your Golang, and so on. So what is this? This is your application softwares. Now these application softwares in an infrastructure as a service, I have to install, I have to maintain, and I have to configure. Everything I have to do it. So under infrastructure as a service, what I will do? I will go ahead and I will do all the work. So here, I will just say this one. So in the infrastructure as a service, who will do all these things? So I have to do. I have to do the below. Okay. So now this is your IaaS. But when it comes to PaaS, you don't need to do anything. This is what? This is my PaaS platform. So this entire thing you will be getting as a service from a vendor. This is what? This is your PaaS platform. This is your PaaS platform. So I have to do the below, and then what? I need to have my application code as well. I have to develop my application code and deploy the code. Who have to deploy? I have to deploy. Who have to maintain? Again, I have to maintain. So this piece is available where whenever you go with your infrastructure as a service, you have to deal with all these things. So I have to do the below. So below what? Below is like I have to develop the applications and then I have to deploy the code inside my softwares. I mean, all these softwares, whatever I'm taking, I have to take care of all those things. And then these softwares, they will be in the infrastructure. But only service I'm taking is like a infrastructure as a service. This is my IaaS. Now in a PaaS, what you will have in a PaaS? Again, this piece is there. In a PaaS, who will develop the code, guys? Tell me fast. In PaaS platform, who will develop the code?
We develop them.
We develop the code. Who will deploy the code?
We
We have
deploy.
to deploy. We have to
Who
deploy.
will maintain and manage the application?
We.
We have to do everything. We have to do it. Everything we have to do it. So now when I go to my infrastructure, software as a service, SaaS product, if I go, then who will take care of all these items?
Service provider.
Service provider. But who is going to consume this product?
We.
I will simply go and then I will start consuming the product. This is me. I'll go and I'll consume it. I'll go ahead and I'll start consuming the product. This is what am I going to do it. So in SaaS, life will be damn easy. Don't do anything but use it for everything. Simply consume application. Okay, so this is what your infrastructure as a code as well as your platform as a code, infrastructure as a service as well as a platform as a service as well as software as a service. Okay, so hope the concept is clear, guys, with everyone. This is very important, guys. Like I have mentioned, whenever you guys are growing up in your career, right, the more you start growing, the more the knowledge that you need to gain, and this is the one of the growing knowledge that you should be having it. Otherwise it's very hard. You can't take a decisions on fly. You can't take the decisions. Okay, I think we are good to go, guys, for today. Thank you so much for joining for the session. Let's connect to tomorrow. Tomorrow we will understand a bit more about our Azure platform and Azure services. Thank you so much for having you all, right? Thank you so much for joining as well. Have a great day ahead, guys. Let's connect tomorrow. If you have any doubts, please stay back and clear. Otherwise, we are good to go for today.
Sir, I have one question.
Keshav. Tell me, Keshav.
Sir, it's not related to the platform like architecture. It's related to DB. So can I ask this one, please?
Go ahead, sir. Go ahead, please.
So in my current project, I had one requirement that I need to. I have the database in one of the Microsoft platform called as Dataverse. So the clients are asking to design the data modeling. So I'm actually looking for any free DB designer tool so that I can design the data modeling for them using the relationships. So we are not using, if it's an SQL SSMS, I can design using the data modeling there, but it's not present. So do you have any, do you know any free DB designer tools that I can use for the data modeling?
No, sir. No. Yeah. Sorry. I'm not more into other data part. I'm not from database background, sir.
Yeah, it's like just to map the tables. That's it. Like you're using the draw.io. It's like just to map the tables, not like any high level thing. Just to map the tables to give them as a picturization.
Okay. You want the architecture related thing. Is this
Yeah,
what you're
yeah,
asking
yeah,
me?
yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. You can use this one. This one only, sir. This supports your, even this guy. If I go with the shapes, so this supports many icons. Like
Okay.
you want to have a flowchart, so you can go with the flowcharts like this.
Oh, okay.
So easy. End of the day, you need to just mention the flow, right?
Yeah, yes, yes. Like I need to show the flow of the data from each table to each table. That's it.
Then UML is the very, very best. You go and
Y-
explore the UML.
UML. Okay. UML
Yeah.
diagrams.
UML diagrams, they are very good. So you will
Okay.
get all the links. How the if you are hitting one query, if you are creating any sort of a database and define tables, how the integrations, which table and what and all other things are there. You can clearly define it here. You can use it.
Oh, okay, sir. Thank you.
So
Thank you
this
so much.
tool itself is enough. It will give you all the details.
Okay. It's draw.io, right? Like,
Draw.io. I'm using Draw.io. You can use the same.
yeah. Actually, I was looking in the Microsoft license only we have Visio, but
Yes,
that's not
Visio is there.
satisfying my requirement. Okay.
Yeah, Visio is there, but Visio, I don't like Visio much, but yeah, it is there.
Okay, sir.
I
Thank you.
like Draw.io.
Freeware or license version?
It's a free one. Okay, quite a free one.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No issues. Okay, any other doubts, guys? From anyone?
Sean Suraj here. I have paying symbol.
Please, Suraj, please share your credentials, Suraj.
I think it's already shared. Otherwise.
Can you map me there exactly? You have shared me, right? Just map me over there.
Mhm.
Okay, guys. I think we are good to go for today. Thank you so much for joining. Suraj, I'll connect with you offline. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.